Chapter 3. Change Yourself. In addition to working on your relationship with your animal friend, you also need to bring about a change in your lifestyle. You need to believe in your ability to receive telepathic communications, not just from animals, but also from humans. Accept whatever you receive in the form of images, sentences, impressions, or in any other form, not just from animals, but from other humans, or even from the universe, or from beyond the physical world. Don't dismiss any impressions. Accept them. You may not understand them in the beginning, but as you continue to trust yourself, you will be able to understand what they mean. This means incorporating practices that will keep your mind quiet. You will need to avoid foods, drinks, and environmental conditions that agitate the mind. Eat a balanced diet full of natural and fresh foods. Do exercises that calm you down and increase your focus. Meditation is a necessary practice if you want to be able to listen to your furry friends. It helps you stay grounded and at peace. Spend time in nature with your animal friend. Be peaceful and patient. Don't expect things to happen quickly. Just love and respect yourself, your animals, and your relationship. Let things happen. Don't force them. Don't pressure your pets. Your animals will catch on if you do, and this can be quite disturbing for them. Stay calm and peaceful, because if you are constantly angry, frustrated, sad, or even giddy, you will only get a response to that. What you need is deeper communication from your pet. So, talk calmly. Be calm inside. Let your relationship flourish.